Greetings. This is Honolulu Blue of HB Cruising with a brief discussion of what I believe to be the most savage group of cruisers afloat. Yesterday Carnival brand ambassador John Heald discussed a conversation with a cruiser who wondered if she did the right thing. This cruiser was confronted with a full washing machine at the ship's laundromat. The cycle was done and she waited half an hour before taking out the clothes of the full washing machine and putting their own in. Mr. Heald surveyed his audience on Facebook and asked if this was something others would do. Surprisingly to me, the vast majority agreed with this. They would pull out someone else's laundry out and stack it elsewhere. The majority would be even less patient than the highlighted cruiser and would wait as little as 5 minutes before making their move. Having used a few public laundries in my life, I will grant you that it is bad form to not be present to retrieve your washed or dried clothing when the cycle is done. But I find it extreme to pull someone's clothes out that has almost no precedent in life off the ship. There are always laundering options. There may be other washing machines on the ship, though possibly on a different deck. Carnival in particular offers a laundry bag option that isn't terribly expensive, $15, and can be free for those with higher status. Some clothing can be washed in the cabin's bathroom. And there's always the option to not clean them at all, or at least wait another day. There are 2 lessons from this. First, try to avoid the laundry rooms on ships. You may see the ugly side of your fellow man or woman if you get on the wrong side of them. And second, if you have to use the laundry, be sure to be present to gather your laundry when the cycle ends. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more exposure to content that is of interest to cruisers, especially solo cruisers and cruises with a music theme.